Soft, creamy, and bursting with blueberry flavor, this mini yogurt cheesecake melts in your mouth. Using simple ingredients, with cafe-style look, and pure dessert heaven in every bite. Let's bake it together. Now let's build that creamy cheesecake base. In a bowl, I'm adding room temperature 125 grams of cream cheese, followed by 30 grams of soft, unsalted butter, and 40 grams of milk. Mix gently until everything becomes silky and smooth. No lumps at all, just a glossy mixture that smells rich and buttery. Now separate egg yolk and egg white in a separate bowl. The egg yolk goes into the batter and we will use the egg whites to make meringue. Now sprinkle in 20 grams of sugar. This helps the cream cheese base taste balanced and creamy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for sweetness, plus a splash of lemon juice to brighten the flavor. Keep whisking until everything blends together into a velvety batter. It should look smooth, shiny, and slightly warm to the touch. That's your perfect cheesecake foundation, ready for the next step. Now that our base is silky smooth, it's time to bring structure to the batter. I'm sifting in 30 grams of all-purpose flour and 10 grams of corn flour. This keeps the cheesecake light but still stable when baked. Sift slowly, letting that fine white powder fall like snow, and gently whisk until everything blends in. You should see the batter turn glossy and slightly thicker, almost like a creamy custard. That's how you know it's ready for the next stage. Now, for that cloud-like texture, let's make the meringue. We will be using the egg whites that we cracked earlier. Then add a tiny pinch of salt, and start whisking until they turn foamy. Then, I slowly add the remaining 20 grams of sugar, little by little at a time, while beating. Keep whisking until the bubbles tighten into soft, glossy peaks. Lift your whisk and they should curl over gently like satin ribbons. This airy meringue is what gives the cheesecake its bounce and melt into mouthfeel. Once it looks smooth and shiny, we're ready to fold it into our cream cheese base. Fold slowly with a spatula. Lift from the bottom and turn, so all that air stays inside. You'll know it's right when the batter feels light and airy, almost like whipped cream. Now, pour the batter into your mini springform pan, lined with parchment. Spoon a few dots of that glossy blueberry sauce. Then pour in the rest of the batter. Tap the pan lightly on the counter to pop any big bubbles. And that's your dreamy blueberry cheesecake ready for baking. Now it's time to bake that beauty. Place your container inside a larger tray and pour in about 1 centimeter of hot water. This gentle steam keeps the cheesecake soft and crack-free. Now slide it into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 minutes. Then lower the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and continue baking for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top turns a light golden color. When your cheesecake is baked, turn off the oven but don't take it out just yet. Open the oven door slightly and let it rest inside for about 10 minutes. This helps prevent cracks and keeps that soft, fluffy texture. Then carefully remove it from the water bath and place it on a rack to cool completely. Once cooled, cover it and chill in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. That slow cooling and chilling time transforms the texture into something smooth, creamy, and melt in your mouth. Perfect. And here it is. Soft, creamy, mini blueberry cheesecake, made at home with perfection. Every bite melts in your mouth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, only on Chef B's Recipe.